Promess Gear Backlash Kit comes with everything you need to measure and verify backlash in gear assemblies. Included in this kit is a Promess TorquePro, Promess Controls, Promess software, and our 24/7 365 customer support. Our state-of-the-art, non-overloading Promess TorquePro is capable of measuring gear backlash in both clockwise and counterclockwise fashion. Our versatile transducer system can fit base or flange mount configurations, and is mountable in any orientation to best fit your needs. The UltraPRO Safety Drive Enclosure is a compact enclosure with drive and safety circuitry built into a singular unit. This pre-tested EtherCAT-based system allows for immediate and lightning-fast data transfer as soon as it's installed. This EtherCAT system transfers data from the Safety Drive Enclosure to the UltraPRO Digital Signal Conditioner, which provides precise auto-calibration and data acquisition for any gear backlash application. Both the Digital Signal Conditioner and Safety Drive Enclosure are connected to the UltraPRO Controller. The UltraPRO Controller is the brains of the system and runs Promess application software specially made for gear backlash testing. The entire application kit comes together into our easy-to-use HMI backlash software platform. Our versatile software will handle any gear backlash testing application with capabilities to alter torque, rate of change, limits, and many other parameters. And of course, every single Promess product comes with 24/7 service 365 days of the year. One of our UltraPRO experts is always available to assist with any needs the customer may have regarding our products. The Promess Gear Backlash Application Kit with our custom plug-and-play system layout is the solution for all your backlash testing needs.